Rain, a fascinating phenomenon offered by nature. But why does it rain? Here's a simple explanation. Let's start with evaporation. With the heat of the sun, water from surfaces such as oceans, lakes, and rivers evaporates into water vapor, rising into the atmosphere. Then comes condensation. As the rising vapor cools, it forms water droplets or ice crystals, returning to liquid or solid form. Next, these droplets merge and grow. Due to altitude, these merging droplets fall downward. And there you have it, rain. The falling water droplets are referred to as rain.